Hello, I don't have a tripod. I thought about buying one, but it's too costly. So I'm gonna fix an old one. And if you're asking where I'm gonna find one, there.
He looks at me, I look at him. He looks at me, I look at him. He looks at me, and I look at him.
If we don't move, you can't see us.
You are coming with me.
Time for the cleanup. And I need to change my outfit because I don't want my white shirt to be like rusty brown. I'll be using my mobile to record this because it's gonna be a time, and there's a reason why I'm not using my camera. Okay, I will show you that in just a sec. In this clip, I'm just using sandpaper to remove rust from the tripod, and I'm using thinner as an alcohol rub. I'm just using it to clean up the surface. I only have like 2 advices. First advice, wear some old clothes. Second advice, make sure you're up to date with your tetanus shot. You know, TT shot. By the way, the sky is pink, so I'm taking a video of it. Doesn't it look good? Pink sky. It's pink. Pink sky. It is day 2. I got a new bottle of thinner now, and I'm using a knife to scrape off paint. And if you're wondering why I'm not using thinner to remove paint, that's because this is before the thinner renovation. Okay, advices while using thinner. Make sure you do not have any scrapes on you. Scrape, you know, the wound. Pretty much, it's just wound, man. Scrape equal to wound because it's going to sting. What else? And if you're thinking about using gloves, don't. It is just going to melt your gloves. Yes, thinner eats gloves. Day 3. I thought this project would be over by now, but it's still not done. So I went to the only man I know to ask for advice. Shrek. He gave me the revelation. The thinner revelation. I went home with all my neurons activated. Before that, this blade is not working. I should go find a new one. Now for the revelation. Thinner revelation. I just realized that thinner was evaporating before it could actually remove the paint. Stop it! So I just wrapped a cloth around it and it works. Just works. It is time for me to paint. I don't remember putting my tripod here. He's dead. Day 5. I started painting the tripod. And pretty much the only advice I have is just read the instructions and make sure you wear a mask. because I didn't know it was actually like toxic. I didn't read it, okay? Pretty much. So I'm pretty sure I have permanent brain damage, but pretty much that's the only thing. I finished painting this, so all I need to do now is to make a bag. "38 inches. I need to find something that is 38 inches. To find the material. This should work, right? This should work, right? I mean, it's dirty, but I can clean it. And I'm pretty sure it is not being used, and it's mine, by the way. He looks at me. I'm not doing this shit over again. Ta-da! Usually you just put the pins to keep the cloth together and just thread over it and take them out. That's pretty much how you use it, but I couldn't find my pin, so I'm using stapler. In hindsight, it was a bad idea. I had to remove it one by one, but it pretty much works similarly to pin, so I don't care that much. And after this is done, I'm just going to stitch it together. This is pretty much done. I'm just gonna wash it. Cinematic cloth washing. The paint did have some effects on me. Yeah. That's pretty much it.
Later that night.
His family have to escape. He kidnapped me. He tortured me. He stabbed me. He shot right behind me, isn't he?
Looks dry enough. Huh. Huh? Huh. Huh? Huh. Huh? Huh. Good job.
Pull the lever, Gronk.
No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait.
YouTube says I need 1,000 subscribers to monetize. So, thoughts on that?